Yeah, bless some people, big up on yourself. I don't know what the thing go. New link there, people. I don't know, so they're out there and it's beautiful day, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful day. Giving thanks for life and everything. What the people right about now, I have a real thing what I need to talk about. Because, yo, some story where hit New link, you know, people. And a joke thing, them and some serious thing, them, you know. Well, let me get into it, right? Well, I was reading an article. Zine, publicized out there, and I don't know what's New link after doing reading and everything. So I read the thing and I see a story pop up people where this I say, yo, a girl, she at 13 soon be 14, right? I guess in March the 16th or something like that she'll go be 14. And this girl, she's the one who sent out this thing, you understand, to the people and the counselor, whoever she want for, you know what I mean, people, and I gotta tell her what she really talk about now. She's saying she almost 14 and she's in love, but Taka's problem with her parents them, and she really in love with this man who is not a teenager, but this man is way older than her. People, you want the part where lit New link now. See, me sorry for the nice cause them playing their fly over my head, see? The part where it New link, you know, and when she say now, right? She go say now, her parents them know, but them a say the man only wants sex and the man nah give her no money or not take care of her. Boy, my people, you see when New links to that part there, my blast attack same time on them dirty parents there. Because uno parents now, Zine, uno you know say, uno look at daughter, we should not go to school, we just start high school if she go to school. Because if you do high school, Zine, in a relationship with a man, big man, you know what I mean? And uno go say, ungo sexy more, uno not see a child abuse that day. What kind of look up pervert that you know have like a nasty boy that you know have around the look up picnic? Uno go talk about say, yo, Zine, this girl people, the little girl, she dey a Jamaica, Zine. She said the boy dey America. But the boy come, living at the States, but the boy come down and something and everything. You know what I mean? And the boy, them sex is nice because she have sex with him one time and from this so she fall in love and she love him so much. And she don't want to do nothing for lose it, she don't want to do nothing for jeopardize it. But her parents, them want to mash up her thing, mash up her life with the man. The people, you see this little girl now, she needs some serious counseling. See? Her parents, them need forgetting some deep things with the law about this thing, you know. Because that's like say, uno allow uno picnic figure say yo, have sex. If I'm telling this article, I'm reading of people and a joke thing, you know. Zine? And yo, me tell you see some things out there in the world. Me I tell you, man, me I tell you. So you see all about the R. Kelly story. When you link to this, now, me have to really say, you know, say come like say, yo, John, no. The R. Kelly story it can be real thing, you know. You see me as a people because a big boy, your people, me not see myself, honestly. If you look for a look at picnic. Saying honestly, me not too comfortable, would be comfortable in a relationship with somebody who are 18, 19, 20. You know what I mean? Because to me, them still young. Saying, and a man I go take up the heart to be with a picnic. Who I say, yo, 14, never 15, yo, brother. You see if New link ever catch up, eh? You see if New link ever catch a youth, actually you never know, you know. You boy with the America, you look a nasty boy with the America. See, you look a dirty boy. Now, my youth, leave people picnic alone, brother. Because the same thing we are doing, they look a picnic at Jamaica, my youth. Me know the same thing you go to America, go down. Uno in a boy, you go to prison, you know. Uno them go fling out, you know. You see boy like you, one chew and one hag pen where 50 hag they just start near me and bite up in a nasty boy. Oh, you're so nasty youth. Eh? You can't look when you look at data. You can't look when you look at picnic. And I call relationship, and I got the girl I got talk about, she talk to him regular on the phone, all them the America, them video call regular, and them something there. So all our focus right now is on this boy. Our focus is not on education, not on school, because not one part in our article when me read people, this long article, she talk nothing about education in our school and she had the well in her school. Nothing like that. But all about is this look called pervert nasty boy. Youth. Plenty people and them America watch my videos and I know say you go see it, you know. Newlink no you go see. You say you look a nasty boy. You when Newlink I say leave the picnic alone. That's the connection that we have, broke it off. It's the phone that we have with the picture them go dash your phone and dump the phone and tear up that chip there. See, burn up the phone there. You see me? You see your life, ask God for forgiveness because you're a wicked youth. There's a nasty boy and a straight attack you get. Parents, you Newlink us now. You see whatever one allow the daughter to put herself in a you know, go pay for this, Zane, because foolishness scenario. From the first time, you know, even if the daughter do it behind the back, you never know. For you find out, you should have break it, Zane. You don't have to tell her about that thought about say, yo, him not going to nothing. Before it should happen. You pick the fee in school. When I do allow you pick the go out, they go take money and expect to get money. So if the boy did spend one bag of money upon the girl and that allow it, what kind of worthless parents gonna be? Them there's something they are wicked, this are worthless and nastiness, and you like not support them thing there. That's why I'm a blast attack upon them thing there. My viewers and my subscribers, you don't know a thing going on people. A peace, you know, and love and respect and genuine people. It's not an easy road. Bless up people. Enough love, enough respect, peace. I'm out.